Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Mr. Talls, and today we are going to be opening some Pokemon Celebrations. Today we are opening up the Celebrations Premium Playmat Collection from Target. Now I've purchased the other version of this that has the same cards, but it does not have the playmat. So I'm very interested in looking at the playmat and checking it out. So let's go ahead and open this up. So there's the box. Looks like the mat was hidden in the back of the plastic. So let's go ahead and get that rolled out. Check it out here. Nice. So we have the Train On logo for the 25th and the Pokemon logo up there with the big old Pikachu tail and those starter Pokemon in the background of the black parts. Awesome. So let's check out these cards here. This is the V Union, so it has the 4 cards to go along with that. As well, I believe there's a trainer card in the back here that we can check out. So let's pop that out. Oops. Bear with me, I'm new to this. This is my first Pokemon opening video. I have a bunch of other random stuff on my channel. You can check out this code card. And here's that trainer card, Professor Burnett. Doesn't have the shiny 25th anniversary logo there. And then there's the bottom left corner, bottom right. And we have the top left and the top right of the card. Pretty interesting way of displaying these with 4 separate cards. And then there's the jumbo version that has everything put together. Get rid of this plastic here. I've been collecting the Celebrations for some time. As you can see, I've got one of the lunch boxes, ETB, and I also have some of the jumbo cards for the first partner packs. I really enjoyed picking those up. So we got 6 Celebrations, and looks like 3 other packs. We have a Battle Styles, Vivid Voltage, and Chilling Reigns. So I'm going to check out these first. We'll start with the Battle Styles. Code card. Interesting to see what we hit with a green card. So we've got Dark Energy. I love that Zubat style art with the crocheting or knitting. Cubone Classic. Roly-Coly. Oh, look. Reverse Hollow matching pair there. And non-hollow as expected. All right, let's check out the Chilling Reign. This one's giving me some problems here. I got it. All right, let's not reveal the color of the code card, but we will reveal the code card backside and see what we got. So we got Fighting Energy, Flaffy, Hunter, one of my favorites, and then a Ghastly, nice. Ooh, that's neat. And non-hollow. Still pretty cool artwork there. Let's see, was that green? Yes, it was a green card. All right, Vivid Voltage, and then we will get into our 6 Celebrations packs. They do a really good job of sealing these up. There we are. There's the code. And let's see if we get anything interesting. Fighting Energy, whoops. Already messing up here. Memory Capsule. Again, this is my first time doing this, so bear with me as I get used to opening these cards on camera. Reverse holo here. Oh man, no luck with these packs. Hopefully that means, that was a green code card, that these are gonna have some interesting hits. I was lucky enough to get one of the small tins and get the Charizard in one of those. And I'm very curious. Oh, and look at that, my phone's going off. All right, so let's get into this and see what we got in here. So again, like I said, first time doing this, so that's one thing that I need to remember to do is to mute my phone so we are not interrupted. All right, first pack. First, here's the code. And let's see what we got. We got Reshiram here. Ho-Oh. One that I don't have, Tapu Lele. One that I hear is tricky to get sometimes. And Zacian V. I do have sleeves, but again, newbie here, forgot to get them out. But I will sleeve them up once I get done here. Next pack. Now, of course, I have trouble opening these when I'm on camera. Normally I don't. Here is the code. And here's the cards. Zekrom, Cosmog, Yveltal, and Mew. So nothing major in there for me. Next. Hopefully, if any of you have been collecting these, you've gotten the ones that you want. Let me know if there's anything you're still looking for. And I will be sure to show you what I've got so you can see what I'm still looking for. Reshiram, Ho-Oh, Lugia, and Pikachu. I love this artwork in here of the expanded view of the original card. Really neat how they did that. It'd be cool to have them do that more with some other older cards. There we are. Next up, first, code card. And we got Reshiram here, Palkia, Dialga, and Lunala. So only one big hit so far. Hopefully these last two have something pretty cool in them. I'm gonna have to get some scissors and try using scissors next time. Speaking of next time, I do have several other boxes. I was able to get my hands on the Dragapult box, the Sylveon box, as well as the Zacian box with the awesome pin of Pikachu surfing and flying. So I'll be opening those up in my next couple of videos. Here's our code card. And let's see what we got. We got the Cosmoem, Palkia, Reshiram, and Solgaleo. All right, one pack left. Let's see if we can get something we don't have. Code card. We have, as I say, Groudon. I believe people pronounce it other ways. Ho-Oh, Lugia, and Zacian Z. So it looks like today our one major hit was our... there it is. Tapu Lele, which is awesome. I don't have this card. It will be a great addition to my Celebrations collection so far. Again, I'm going to get this sleeved up after I finish this video. Before I finish up, wanted to show you the collection of what I have so far. See if I can get this in here. I'm going to have to show you with a mobile camera here. So we've got the 3 starter Pokemon that I've been lucky enough to collect. Have the Dark Gyarados. Here comes Team Rocket. I have the Birthday Pikachu, Cleffa. I believe that's Team Magma's Groudon. I have the Rocket's Admin. I was also very lucky to get the Umbreon Gold Star. That was an awesome pull. We have the Garchomp Level X. Have the Donphan, Rayquaza EX, Mega Rayquaza EX, Professor's Research, and the other Professor's Research as well. Full art there. And then I've got most of the other half of the collection. I forget the name of that one. But we have Mew, Lugia, Ho-Oh, Kyogre, Groudon, Dialga, Palkia, Reshiram, Zekrom, Xerneas, Yveltal, Cosmog, Cosmoem, Solgaleo. I keep wanting to say the character from Star Wars, Lunala, and Zamazenta, and the Zacian V. I also have my Pikachus over here. These were the Union cards that I got from my first box, as well as some other Pikachus that I picked up. I got the statue for the box that these came in. The Lance's Charizard V. These are the ones from the lunchbox there. And the Professor Burnett's and the Greninja Gold Star that you get with the Celebrations box. And then I also have the Pikachu that you get, I believe, from one of the cereal boxes as well. So that is the Celebrations collection that I wanted to show you what I've got so far. Thank you for joining me on my first first Pokemon video in general. This was really great. I look forward to putting it together and posting it online. Thank you for joining me. Hope you come back next time. Thank you.